wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet. Let me put your
Good morning, peeps, and good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's man, hold the fire. 777. Walk at it with another one again. Now it's a Monday morning, and I'm late. Yeah, I overslept. I am late, peeps. Yeah. I have a 7 o'clock appointment and it's like 4 minutes to 7 now. I won't get there than the road 7:15. So the stick and stay with me, not going away. See? Yeah. The sun just come up now. The sun just rising. See, the sun just rising, peace. Rising up the sun, you know, early morning. Yeah. The sun just rise up. So I take it on the highway. Yeah. Take it on the highway. So I was singing I Bob Marley and the high trees, you know. So rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. It's the rising sun there. 3 little birds sit by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs of melodies is pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. So singing, don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. That is it. Every little thing gotta be alright, you know. Don't worry about nothing. Yeah, so just stick and stay with me. I'm taking up on a journey today. One fire, hold the fire. Love what I do and do what I love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it.
From the stress and the hate, feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat.
This piece, the weather does feel right in the morning here. The weather feel right, feel like winter. Very cool in the Caribbean here. 24 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Feels good. Just right. The weather does feel right, you know. Some place in Jamaica feel extremely cold this morning. I'm Mandeville and so in Newcastle. Some place extremely cold. You put on a sweater. Here in Grand Cayman is feeling chilly also, but just right, you know. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me, and no go nowhere. No go nowhere. Do not go nowhere. So now, babes, no go nowhere. This is early morning. Early Monday morning. The sun. So come on, great. The sun is beautiful in the sun in the Monday morning here. Extremely beautiful. It is just beautiful. Look at that. The sun is beautiful. Yeah. 7 o'clock now, babes. No, me soon get a call from the lady. So are you on your way? You're not coming again? Yeah. Good peeps. A trailer in front of me. Trailer. Move. Trailer is moving. So just stick and stay with me. I'm almost reach. Show me how it's set up. Peeps. It's early Monday morning, Caribbean. Got it. Yeah. So it's 7:12 now. I'm gonna reach it. Hopefully I can reach by. Hopefully I get to reach by 7:15. 7:15, 3 minutes from here, so. Can I do it? Let's drive by the speed limit. Yeah. Not too fast. Not too fast, babes. Not too fast. Let's drive at the speed limit. Yeah. Oh, oh. Early Monday morning. Yeah. I love the traffic. Other traffic from coming from that side. When I'm coming from that side, other traffic from my side. There's no traffic behind me. Just coming from this side. You got the traffic. Yeah. And the sun on that side now. That is it. So it's a very early Monday morning. Monday morning, cool. Cool like cucumber. Yeah, weather does right, trust me, babe. Really like you want to drive out for me. Yeah, people rushing to work, you know. Almost there. Almost. So I'll go down here. One more corner. And then I'm supposed to reach. Yeah. right in my face now. That's why I wear my shades, babes. Driving an early morning like this, you can see the road. Sometimes the sunlight is exactly in your face, just like this. Look, sun exactly in my face. So, if you drive with the shades, you see the road better. Yeah, have a little traffic around here. No. Traffic just start build up on this side. Come on, Mr. Bicycle Man, ride up. The thing about seeing bicycle man and a Cayman, you have to respect them, you know. You know, just drive on to them to give them way. Alright, here so the road is kind of narrow. There, peeps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm there. So I put on my indicator and said, "Give me some cross there." I cross. Yeah, and I'm here, peeps. 17 minutes after 7. Finally. Come on. Some of these people are very tough, you know. Some of these people are very tough. Some of them don't want to give away, but some will. Not even one. So, just stick and stay with me. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. On fire, hold fire. Love what I do. You what I love. Do it your best ability. So yes, peeps. Just finished that first job. So, I'm going for the second one. It's a Monday morning. Yeah. And it's normally busy on Monday. So let's take it. Let's take it to the road. Take it to them. As we say in Jamaica. Take it to them. So stick and stay with me, not go nowhere. Yeah, it's a Monday morning. I have to start off the Monday morning banging. Yeah. Got enough rest yesterday. I didn't work. I worked in the early morning yesterday. Then I went home and rest. So I'm fresh this morning. I went to work on Sunday and still get up early Sunday morning, Monday morning. Trust me. It's not easy. It hurts. So I got enough rest yesterday and I'm fresh this morning. Fresh like a vegetable. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Just stick and stay with me, not gonna way. As me head on out to Georgetown Police Station. I'm going by the station. Yeah. Yes, peeps. This is Georgetown Police Station. Okay. They have a truck over there. So I have to go for that truck and bring it come all the way down here. Because I got space down here. Space somewhere down here. Let me see. Vehicle park all the way down here. So. Whoa. Gotta find a space, peeps. So car wash man washing the police vehicle. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Yeah, car wash even the police vehicle. It's a company that is what you work for. They have a contract with the government to wash the police vehicle. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find myself a nice little spot I gotta find myself a way. A nice little spot. Yeah. No, I'm parked to block up anybody. So find myself a nice little spot, I guess so. Right there, so. Under the tree. Yeah. Yes, peeps, so go to the police station. Yeah, can put it right behind me. It's very big. And it's a very big vehicle. So, stick and steer it and I'm gonna away. We got a police station now. See? So I can watch one over there, so watching the police vehicle I can say. So we go over station and I go. Yeah. And I'm not going to get locked up. I'm just going to collect a big, what's that, Ford? I think it's a Ford. Ford? I don't even remember if it's a Ford or is a... I will see what it is when I reach there. We will see what it is, babes. So yes, babes. Yes, babes, I see it now. Dodge Ram finish. Proper, clean, quite look. Yeah. Big machine. Yeah, it's very big and high, you know? Yeah. So that is it. So you don't know, it's a man, all the fire 777 back at it again. And it says a Monday morning. And Monday mornings are normally, Mondays overall are normally very busy. Yeah, everybody back out at work. So I'm waiting on this gentleman to come for his vehicle so I can do another one and move along. So don't go nowhere, stick and stay. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Yes, babe. Finally reached destination. So today, right now, I'm cleaning the bike here. You can see. It's a Harley Davidson. So you need polishing and all of that. Real dirty. So, go clean it up. So just stick and steer with me. Yeah, I can clean it up. Take off your saddlebag then and thing. Yeah. I'll clean it up, so stick and stay. On fire, all fire. So yes, babe, the bike is finished. It's all shining now, look at it. Glistening, look at it. Oh, so beautiful look now. Yeah, it's a Harley. Yeah? It's a Harley Davidson. Yeah. That's the kind of bike it is. Right? Yeah. See kind of stain still, what kind of stain out there. So clean, can see myself in it now. Wash it down, polish it and thing. Yeah. That is it. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. It's a Monday. Stay tuned. What a beautiful view, peeps. It's a very beautiful view, isn't it? Wow. Look at that. So beautiful. It's the Caribbean. This is the Caribbean. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, whole fire. Love what you do and do what you love. stick and stay with me. Back on the road again. That is it. So yes people, this is the grand finale for the evening. So dirty look. Yeah, it's very dirty. So this is the last one for the Monday evening. No more. I'm finished after this. Going home to get some food. Yeah. So dirty. I could polish it too. So stick and stay with me. Don't go away. Show you how it look when I finish with it. One fire. Yes peeps, and night catch me doing it. You see it there? This is the last one as I say. See it? Polish and everything. Yeah. Mad done. Clean. So clean. Then look at that. Oh yo. Look at it. So clean. So that's the last one for the night. For the evening I should say. Yeah, it's almost 1 minute to 6. Yeah. And I say it's a Monday. Yeah, and I saw Monday always busy. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what I do and do what I love. Do it to your best ability. That is it. So I'm gonna bring it back now. The guys say I'm gonna leave work 6 o'clock. And it's 6 o'clock now. So I finished just in time. Yeah. From sun up till sundown. That is it. I'm gonna do the key. Put the key in it first. The key. Yes, peeps. Not my boss. Come on. Oh boy. Yeah, Steve, so stick and stay with me. Bring back the car in. Yeah, so bring over the vehicle now. Okay. You don't know. At this time now in the Caribbean, 6 o'clock, sun set early. Yeah, so you get dark early. Yes, this is a parking lot, immigration parking lot, government workers parking lot. Yeah. So I bring the gay guy. Yeah. Come on. Time to go home now. Time to eat now. I haven't had a good meal from morning. Yes, babes. Stick and stay. Don't go there. One fire, hold the fire. Yeah. So let me call the owner for the vehicle. Bring somebody right here already. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. You here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, cool.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna open the gate for me now. See, in the town dark. Yeah, this is it when you come to them time of the year here in December. It get dark pretty early in the Caribbean here. So just stick and steer me down, gonna one fire, all the fire. Love what I do what I love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, some have to come and let me in. Some let me in, can't go in. Some like with them carrier. Actually, it's showing you everything around you, so you have to can't drive to crash and carrier. Look. See, camera from all angles, modern technology. Crazy. See? That show you front camera, back camera. So this is the front camera, and this is gonna show you. To show you everything around you. All the cameras around you. Man, don't. I like it. Yeah, this is a Changang. Yeah. Yeah, I like the features. Yeah, and sunroof. Yeah, see one of them? Yeah, my African brother from Zimbabwe. That is it. Yeah. Camera, you can't drive freely, crash peeps. Yeah, that is it. Stick and stay with me, don't go nowhere. Serious space. Yes, I'm out here waiting on the customer. Customer gone at the ATM machine. Yeah, and that's what I say. The town is very dark now. It's dark. Yeah, and I only eat one time per morning. Thank the Lord, so that's actually hard what to eat. Some people still not eat it. Yep. So, that is it. That is it. So I'll collect now and go home, cook some food. Yeah. Because I'm really hungry now. I could eat a cow even though I don't eat meat. That's a lie, I couldn't eat a cow. I couldn't even eat quarter of a cow. So yes, peeps, I have a long walk to walk back to the bus now. Real long walk, you see? It's very dark. Getting dark. Yeah. It's getting dark. On a Monday. And I'm out here in Georgetown. Look, I have a long walk. I have a very long walk. Yeah. Yeah, very long walk, peeps. Oh Lord. But it's part of life. You gotta work hard for what you want. Yeah. Yeah, but time to come, I'm gonna say, well, I used to be in Cayman working this hard, working certain hours. The day gonna come when I say it. I ain't working that hard no more, because I'm working for myself now. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So everybody have to have a story, not true? Because sometimes people see you and just don't know your story. They just think that it came to you that easily, you know, not knowing that you had to work hard. So you go. So big up all the people them, yard and abroad, Caribbean, America, all over. Big up all the Jamaicans them. We have to work real hard. You know what I say? Yeah. Big up to all the supporters them from all over. Yeah. Big up to myself. Thanks for subscribing. I'm all getting stuttered. Yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting the movement. You don't know, one fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out. Subscribe! Yeah. Early morning, work must go on. So just stick and stay with me. I'm gonna try to bring you some good and exciting vlog, nothing boring. I know we're not do boring. One fire, wall fire. That is it. So yes, babes. Heading on to work. To work. Yeah. This is what the street look like in the morning, and we're passing the airport. So Cayman Airways they take off, the small one. Cayman Airways taking off. The plane taking off there. Up and away it goes. Yeah. See there? It gone. Up in the sky. Yup. See there? So we take on road have to take on. So just stick and stay and not go nowhere. You get me I say? Yeah, that is it. Yes, babe, so when I do some work on the road, yes, they are repainting the lines, the yellow lines on the road. Yeah. Putting some reflectors on the road to make it more safe at night. So even when the rain falls, you can't see them. Yeah, they're putting in some reflectors. Yeah. Safety come first when you're on the road. That is it. The Cayman government really look out for your safety on the road. They make sure there's proper signs and all of that. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe! Yes, tell a friend. One fire, wall fire. Love what I do and do what I love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Stick and stay. Not go nowhere. So yes, peeps, and our first stop this morning is at Domino Pizza. Yes, we're stopping at Domino Pizza. That's where I'm going this morning. Domino Pizza. Yes, this is it. So let me see where we're gonna do this. I get to stock already. So let me see where we're gonna do this morning. Yeah, so stick and stay with me. Don't go nowhere. There. So yes, space over there. Domino Pizza. First stop, as I say, first job this morning. So yes, so we start right now the sun. As you can see, no shade, no trees around, no shade. So I have to do it right now the sun. Yes, so I'm gonna deal with the Honda Fit here RS. You know the Honda Fit here fast though. Yeah, the Honda Fit RS. It's so dirty, very dirty. So I'm gonna show you around it fast. Now I'm gonna really show you all of the long details. So the headlamp them stay and I go clean off that too. Get a little shine and thing. It's so dirty. Yeah, it's very dirty. So I get started now, so now waste some time. So catch you in the back when me done do it. You see peeps, I'm finished now and I'm sweating because I know it's the Caribbean and it's very hot. You see it there now? Very clean. Can't see myself tonight now. Look at the rims. Clean. Yeah, ready for the road. Ready for the Friday evening, you know? Yeah, that is it. That is all. We do it, you know? Very clean. Oh, forgot the headlamps then. Not cleaning headlamps then. No. Gosh.
I'm trying to do something, but if you want, I can sell you some of that stuff, man.
Yeah, so the headlamps clean now.
Like that also.
Okay. Yeah, man. Headlamps clean now. Yes. So underfit finish. So yes, people, it's another underfit, as I can see. This one is extremely dirty. Look at it. Dirty bad. Yeah, as we say, not Jamaica. It's dirty. Look on it. It's very dirty. So now I go so quick, make your mats up, eh? Yeah, see that? Very dirty, as I can see. Yeah, and I'm really exhausted because the sun is very hot. Yeah, it's winter. It's winter, but the sun is very hot. So if you don't subscribe, why don't go subscribe? You know what I say? It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. Subscribe! Why don't go subscribe now? One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. You get me I say? Yes. Big up yourself.